I've never driven one of these like this before. It's my first time.
Come on.
You probably are better than I am at this.
100%
sure.
Come up.
All right, guys. My excavator is here from China. I've been waiting 6 months for this thing.
Hey, it's kind of low.
Huh?
Kind of low.
No.
Lower than my flatbed, so that might be good enough. Oh, that's how those work. I was wondering how they work.
J&S Dryage, it's a real deal. It was very scary getting people to deliver this thing. This guy's got over a 60-foot, he's coming in right now, straight through my gates. What a professional, look at him. Wow. Wow. Wow, ooh. The power lines. Yep. But what about unloading the head first?
Hold up. You want to look at it? You want to do the heads over there?
Yeah. Before you back up to the loading dock, can we pull off the head back over there somewhere? So you're gonna pull forward and back up till you could go look at it. 6.5 ton excavator directly from China. Before we made this ramp right here, you can't see how we made it because I wasn't filming, but now we're gonna use a good old T595 to help us. You better go on the other side so we can see you. This is it from China. Wow. Souvenir.
There you go.
From One High. That's cool. Here we go. First open. Please, glass, don't be broken. Please, glass, don't be broken. Oh, yes, it's not broken. It made it. It made it. It made it.
Talking about?
Yeah.
You know what? Actually, my hooks would probably fit.
Sure enough. Look at that thing, dude. Thank you for really bringing this, man. Look, you think we can drive that off this thing? Dude, that's high, bro.
That's how, yeah.
That's high.
Is that arm attached to that?
Huh?
Is that arm attached to the machine?
Yes, 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 yes. All right.
Yeah, you have to come forward.
Huh?
No, you'll be able to drive it off. That's not a problem.
Okay. So with the
I'm just more worried about this thing. How am I gonna get this?
with the forks.
All right.
Okay. Well, I should be able to come to the end of this thing, right?
Yeah. All the way to the edge.
What are we gonna do with this though?
What?
The gap in here. Hey, come. Dude, how'd they even get it in here?
Professional. What they do for a living. that thing's gonna swing a little bit. I'm gonna try to hold it, but it's gonna, you know how heavy it is. That's what I'm thinking, because if it swings that way, it might hit that bucket over there. Look at it. So let's pull those out first.
All right, we got the cab out safely. Oh my God, dude. What the hell? I think that this thing used to be yellow and they painted over it. Sorry, they're getting mad at me because I'm checking this out. Look at this, kind of cheap looking right here. What the hell? All right, this one I noticed right off the bat. We got a camera out back. Now we're cutting this and we're gonna try and remove this bucket, but we have to start it. Not really sure how to do that quite yet. As a matter of fact, the door opens from the bottom. That's not gonna work. Hey, does anybody have a knife? I need it. Dude, I'm not gonna blow up or anything, am I? That's.
I don't think that's the ignition.
There's an ignition right here.
Ignition?
Okay. So this arm, we're gonna have to lift it a little
Fire
bit.
that.
Hey, you have to lift it a little bit. Make sure you lift this part. Not
I don't know what's going on here though.
It's preheating.
Where's the? Okay.
Oh, yeah.
Can I get a light? Smooth, baby. First start.
Don't lift that. Look, don't lift that part up. You gotta curl this part.
Huh?
You gotta curl this part up.
Curl it up.
Curl this part though, not that part. It hits the top.
Why don't I just lift it up a little bit?
Hey, look at these are metal pipes. So in these, you only need an inch. Those are metal.
All right, so what we're gonna do is, it's about a foot too high. we don't want to risk slamming back. So we're going to dig this down so the tires can sit in it about probably a foot. So we're going to get on that now. All right, so unfortunately we weren't filming when we used the Bobcat to dig it out. Now we're just going to reverse in, and we're going to go ahead and get ready to start unloading the excavator.
So once you get out here,
it's really comfortable.
Once you get out here, open your arm up all the way.
I've never driven one of these like this before. It's my first time.
Come on.
You probably are better than I am at this.
Listen,
100% sure.
come up some more, open your arm. Come up more though.
Come on more.
You gotta come out, watch out for the top. Come out. Can you lift that up more?
What?
All right, start to lift the arm.
Lift the arm up.
Start lifting the arm.
There you go. And then when you extend this, all the way forward, it'll take all the weight from the back out. Yeah, a little bit more. You gotta
Tuck the bucket in. Tuck the bucket in.
What?
Tuck the bucket in. There you go. Now extend it out. Good, right there.
Walk forward. Walk forward.
Hey, now bring it. Try to come this way. You're tight on that edge.
Yes. Back up. Now what? Okay, all the way forward. Extend it all the way forward.
Come here. Here, look. You play with it right here. All right. Make sure it stays on them.
There you go. What you're doing now is you're transferring the weight forward. I don't want to slam my head on this thing and die. We're not going to.
Why would you do that? You're gonna fall forward. Put your arm down. You're ready to put your arm down in a minute so it catches it. Not yet though. Keep coming.
Stand on this side of the camera. With the camera. Like there? Yeah. Keep coming.
Is that good right there? Can you see him? Yeah, you can see him right there. There you go. There you go. Keep coming.
Pick up the dozer plane. What? Pick up the dozer plane a little bit. How high?
High as it can go.
Higher. You don't want it lower?
High as it can go. You're gonna fall down.
There you go.
There you go. Right there. Come straight out now. There you go. You're good. You're good. Keep rolling.
It's gonna be smooth.
It's gonna be smooth. Come on. Yeah. Keep going. You're already touching the ground.
Off the camera.
You're already on the ground.
Oh, yeah, it's gonna be smooth. It's gonna be smooth.
You're already on the ground. You're good.
Keep going. Now lift this up a little bit. It's gonna be smooth.
There you go.
Hey, am I hitting over here?
No, I already checked. You're good.
You're not.
Good. Just stay straight.
Want me to turn left? No, just go straight. Go straight.
Go straight. No, go straight. You're good. I'm telling you.
It's gonna be smooth, bro. Smooth.
There you go. You're out. You're out. Yeah.
All right. Now throw forward. Throw forward. Doesn't feel weird. Your man out. Ha! We made it, baby! We made it! Woo! Woo! How do you turn up the speed?
Nothing else in there for me? There's it.
Don't even put the cab on it.
Stay tuned for the next episode of Gunner Ranch. And don't forget to like and subscribe